In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a web page into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat 2025. This is a handy skill, whether you're saving an article for offline reading or archiving a web page for reference. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First things first, go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat 2025 on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, focus on the top menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on File, then hover your cursor over Create. From the drop-down menu that appears, select PDF from Web Page. This action will prompt a dialog box to pop up on your screen, and this is where you'll be entering the URL of the web page you wish to convert. Now, take a moment to type or paste the URL of the web page you want into the designated field. Before you proceed, you'll notice some options that you can configure. These options are quite useful if you're looking to customize your PDF. For instance, there's the number of levels to include. This option is particularly beneficial if you want to capture not just the page you're on, but also the pages that it links to. You can decide to either capture linked pages or focus solely on the main content. It's entirely up to you. Another setting allows you to specify whether you want to capture the entire site or just that single page. These choices let you have a PDF that meets your specific needs and is as detailed or as concise as you prefer. Once you've made your selections and configured these options to your liking, you're ready to move on. Hit either the Create or Convert button, depending on which one appears on your screen, to initiate the process. Adobe Acrobat will begin downloading the web page and converting it into a PDF. This may take some time if the web page is extensive or if you've chosen to include multiple levels of linked pages, so patience is key here. After the conversion is complete, you'll be able to review the PDF directly within Adobe Acrobat. Take a few moments to go over the document, ensuring that everything looks as you expected. If there are any adjustments needed, you might want to redo the process with different settings or levels. Once satisfied, your final step is to ensure it's saved securely on your computer. Click on File in the menu bar once again, but this time choose Save As. Here you can navigate to the desired folder, give your PDF a name, and make sure it's saved in a location that's easy for you to find later on. And there you have it. Your web page is now a PDF, ready for offline access or sharing with others. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in using Adobe Acrobat 2025 to create PDFs from web pages. Thanks for tuning in and happy converting!